Hello friends, welcome to Yash Touch channel. I am Yash. Today I am making video on strategy group 11, that is gross requirement planning. Friends, all of you know that in SAP PP there are number of planning strategy like make to stock, make to order, planning with final assembly, planning without final assembly. Among all, one of the important planning strategy is gross requirement planning. When our product stability is higher, we can use that planning strategy. So friends, let's move towards sheet. Strategy 11 is a gross requirement planning in which there is no effect of sale order requirement on production. Also, plant stock do not affect the production. In PIR consumption, do not means PIR consumption is not happen in strategy 11. No concept of PIR consumption through customer requirement. But PIR reduction happened during good receipt of the production order. Friends, I will show which master data I maintain for that particular strategy, that is 11. In MRP3 view, we maintain strategy group as 11. Consumption period we maintain 90 days. Consumption mode 2, that is forward, backward. You can maintain period like 30 days, 60 days, whatever. But this mix MRP indicator we maintain here too, that is gross requirement planning and availability check as a tool. Now friends, I will show you one by one with our samples, that is how plan order will be generated or how planning proposal will be generated when we put PIR, sale order, demand and production order for strategy 11. Before that, I will tell you one thing, that the requirement type, or we put demand in MD61, the requirement type is BSA for planning strategy 11. So friends, I put demand first for finished material. Before that, I select requirement type as a BSA, plant 1000, save it. Now I put demand of 100 quantity for 1 day. For 1 day. Here I put demand of 100 quantity. Once I put demand, I refresh that MD04 screen, and here you observe that gross requirement planning, requirement type BSF and 100, that is PIR comes. Now next step is to do MRP run. The code for running MRP is nothing but MD02. Here I put finish material, here I put all necessary MRP control parameter, process control parameter, and run the MRP. Run the MRP. Once I run the MRP, I will check the result in MD04 screen. I refresh it. The plan order of 100 quantity comes here. The plan order of 100 quantity comes here. Now friends, move towards column F. Here I put demand of 80 quantity and creates production order of 100 quantity. For that, first I adjust MD04 screen. I delete my plan order and adjust my requirement from 100 to 80. From 100 to 80. Now next step is to create production order of quantity 100. The T code for creating production order is nothing but CO0N. This is my finished material plant production order type. Here friends, I put proper date and save that production order. Once I save the production order, I refresh MD04 screen. Here production order comes of 100 quantity. Now friend, next step is to do MRP again. with the help of T code MD02 single item multi-level. Now once I run the MRP and save this result, system will give me no planning proposal. Why? Because my production quantity is more and PIR consumption quantity is less. Now friends, move towards column G. If my PR quantity is 110 and my production is 100, so in that situation, how many planning proposal, how much quantity of plan order will generate? See on the system. For that, I refresh or I adjust that screen. Here I put demand of 110. Already in system, my plan order is 100 quantity and demand is 110. So if I run MRP with the help of T code MD02, and in that case, if I save the MRP result, system will get planning proposal. System will get planning proposal of quantity. Yes, 10. System will get planning proposal of quantity 10 here also. Now move towards column H. Now friends, as shown on the chart, plant stock do not affect the production. Here is plant stock of 100 quantity and PIR is 110. So in that situation, what happened? I will show you. Before that, I adjust that MD04 screen. I remove plan order first. I remove production order also. Yes, I remove production order also. I put deletion flag of production order. Yes, now I adjust demand. Okay, 110. And now I increase the stock of finished material with the help of T code MIGO. With the help of T code MIGO. And moment type 561. This is my finished material. I put stock of 100 quantity, location 0001, plant is 1000. I check. Okay, post it. Once I post and refresh MD04 screen, here you observe that total stock is 100 and demand is 110. So in that situation, if I run MRP, what result we are getting? I will show you what result we are getting. I will show you. So we run MRP with the help of T code MD02. Running MRP, I will save that particular MRP. And once I save the MRP, refresh MD04 screen, here you observe that plan order of 108 quantity comes because system do not consider plant stock. System consider only demand and run planning proposal. Okay. Now friends, move towards column I. In column I, plant stock is 100, PIR is 180 and production order is 103. So in that situation, what happened? I will show you. In that situation, what happened? I will show you. PIR 180 and production order is 110. Before that, I adjust that MD04 screen. Yes, I adjust demand from 110 to 180. Now friends, as per chart, I create production order of 110 quantity with the help of T code CO01. With the help of T code CO01. Here I put my finished material plant production order type. Here I put my total quantity. Here I put my date. Yes, and now I want to save that particular production order. Once I save production order, I refresh MD04 screen. Here, production order of 108 quantity and demand is 180 quantity. In that situation, if I run the MRP, system will get some planning proposal or some plan order. I will show you how much quantity system will give for planning proposal. If I refresh the system will give 70 quantity because my production order quantity is 110 and PIR is 180, means more 70% or 70 quantity we need for production, because plant stock is do not affect the production, not considering MRP. Now next, move towards column J. If my plant stock is 100, PIR is 280 and production order is 180, so same scenario, system will generate planning proposal of 170, no doubt. Here also friend, plant stock is 100 and PIR is 180, so in that case if you run the MRP, system will generate planning proposal of 80 quantity. This is the same scenario. Like again, if my plant stock is 100, PIR is 100 and production order is 100, so in that situation also system will create no any planning proposal, that is 0. Yes, here is also same scenario, plant stock 100, PIR 110 and production is 100, so in that situation planning proposal of 10 quantity system will give us. Now friends, suppose our plant stock 100, PIR 100, sale order 100 and production order also 100. So in that situation what happen, I will show in the system for planning strategy 11. For planning strategy 11, before that I adjust this MD04 screen properly. Here my production order is also 100. Here my demand also 100. Here my demand also 100. Now I create one sale order for that particular quantity, for that particular material. The T code for creating sale order is nothing but V01. Here friends, I create sale order with reference to existing sale order, with respect to existing sale order. Yes. Okay. My material is nothing but finish 11. Quantity is 100. Plant 100. Currency I put INR. Yes, here incomplete log. Here I check procurement type, which is nothing but KSL. Now save that particular sale order. Once I save the sale order, I check for MD04 screen. Okay, in MD04 screen, here is sale order come of 100 quantity. So now my this scenario of column number N, total stock 100, PIR is 100, sale order quantity is 100, and production order is 100 will come here in MD04 screen. So in that situation, if I run the MRP, that is in MD02 screen, I put proper MRP control parameter, process control parameter, and run the MRP. In that situation, if I save the MRP, then there is no any planning proposal come. There is no any planning proposal come, because already stock is do not affect the production. PRI 100 adjusted by production order, and sale order also do not affect the production. Now friend, our last column is O, in which if my total quantity is 100, PIR is 100, sale order quantity 120, and production order quantity is 100. So in that situation, what happen? I will tell you. In that situation, what happen? I will tell you. So I adjust first with that scenario. Here friends, I put sale order quantity is nothing but 120. Save. Once I save and refresh it, system give all same scenario column O. Now in that situation, we create outbound delivery of quantity 100. The T code is nothing but VL01N. T code is nothing but VL01N. Here is my shipping point. Here is my delivery date. Enter. Here I click on pick quantity and save that particular delivery. Delivery number comes. Delivery number comes. Now friends, in VL02N I open this delivery and do the PGI for 100 quantity. Do the post goods issue for 100 quantity. Once I do PGI, system show me that after refresh this MD04 screen, total quantity is 0, sale order reduced to 20 quantity. Yes. One more thing, friends, I will tell you regarding this strategy group 11 is that our PIR reduction happened during good receipt of the production order. During good receipt of the production order. So for that same scenario, first I run MRP with the help of demand and I deleted already existing production order. Okay, now demand is 100 quantity and I run MRP with the help of T code MD02 with the help of T code MD02. So I run MRP here. So once I run the MRP, system gives me plan order of quantity. System give me plan order of quantity 100. So I convert this plan order into production order. Here friends, I put proper storage location. Here also I put proper storage location of raw material. So my raw material storage location is nothing but RM01. Here I put backslash indicator. Here also I check routing, that is operation overview, and save the particular production order. Now friends, here is the independent requirement 100 and production order is also 100. Now my next step is to copy that production order and confirm that particular production order with the help of T code CO11N. With the help of T code CO11N. Yes. Here I click on actual data. Here I put goods moment. Here proper raw material and finished material with proper moment types come. I save that particular confirmation. So once I save, system give me the message confirmation saved. If I refresh our MD04 list, you will get that our independent requirement also reduction happen. So as per strategy group 11 as shown on the sheet, PIR reduction happened during good receipt of the production order. During good receipt of the production order. So friends, this is more about strategy group 11. Next, I will make the video on strategy 20, that is make to order. Meanwhile, you like the channel, subscribe the channel, share the channel with friends. Keep touch with Yash Touch. Thank you.